Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMNY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis in the past, so that's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. And today definitely need to get some updates. The bulls had a good solid move, no doubt about it, good solid day. But going into next week, it's really just a question of, can the bulls finally get a true break? A true break of what? Well, that is where the red line here comes into play. That level of resistance that I talked about there, right around $7.15. What is a true break? Well, let's start there. True break has two parts. First part is, well, yeah, price has to break up above a certain price level. But then the second part is, can the price maintain the break? Can the price stay up above the level that it just broke out of? And that's where the price is currently struggling right now. Yeah, the bulls got up above it, and at one point, the price was well up there. So I would consider that a true break at that point in time. However, by the time the closing bell came around, you can see that now the price is actually back below that red line. Therefore, this 715 area is still indeed a level of resistance. So that is definitely the big thing, going into next week. And I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery on my part. No, anybody that knows how to read charts and uses them is wondering the same thing. Can the bulls finally get some sort of true break, or, another terminology, get some sort of continuation? And if they can get continuation, that would just be defined as not only getting up above the red line, but then gradually staying up above it and then eventually separating to the upside of it. Am I saying that it has to get up above it and separate up above it on Monday? I'm not saying that at all. I'm just saying that as it stands right now, 715 is still being a thorn in the side of the chart, just like you can see back here. I mean, the bulls tried to get up above it and couldn't quite do that at all. So definitely progress was made, because at least the price was able to get up above it today. So I would certainly agree if you said that this level of resistance was weakened today. I'd agree it's weakened. However, nonetheless, it is still got to be considered that key area of resistance going into next week. So can the bulls, can this pattern get continuation? Can the trend get continuation? It all revolves around this red line, and again, right around the 715 to 725 area, however you want to define it. So next week should be pretty interesting. Can you tell it's Friday? So we'll see how it all unfolds.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.